Hello, everybody. I'm so glad you're here again for music class. I got a lot of fun working with the glasses and with the water. Just remember, more water, lower sound. Less water, higher sound. Today I have two glasses. This one, this one is high pitch, and this one is low pitch. High pitch, low pitch. And that's why today we'll work on a song. Probably you remember this one, probably not. But if you want to join me in this wonderful song, I would like you guys try to get a box and this kitchen tool. Yes, you can get it from your kitchen. The job that has this kitchen tool is tap the beat. The beat never changes. The beat never stops. It's going and going and never stops. And that's how we can start practicing our song. Engine, engine number 9. Going down Chicago line. If the train falls off the track, do you want your money back? Yes. Well, that was great. Let's chant the whole song together. Okay. Chant along with me. 1, 2, and chant with me. Engine, engine number 9. Going down Chicago line. If the train falls off the track, do you want your money back? Yeah, that was great. There's one more thing I have over here. I have my glasses and two different pitches. So that's why I can sing the song using these two different sounds. High and low, engine, engine number 9. Going down Chicago line. If the train rolls off the track, do you want your money back? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let's move forward. That's why today I have high and low because our challenge today is play this song on this glass xylophone. So I would like today to make an ensemble. I would like to invite my daughter to help me for tapping the beat. Okay, Linda, say hi to third grade class.
Hi.
So Linda will be tapping the steady beat. Probably you need to invite your parents or you need to invite somebody in your house to play the steady beat like this. Tap, 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 tap. Once you have the steady beat, you can try the song. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train falls off the track, do you want your money back? That was great. Now we will sing and we will play our highs and lows on the glasses. You ready? And 1 and 2 and here we go. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train falls off the track, do you want your money back? Keep going, Pia. Never changes. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, this time we will try just to think on the lyrics. Do not sing, do not speak, but play. Okay? 1 and 2, and here we go. Wow! That was a great experience at home, playing together, making instruments. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know how was it. See you later, guys.